It is KTV powered by World Sports Betting. It is the times of SEO. Those days, Kaiser Chiefs 1, Maruma Gallants nil in the Betway Premiership. It's actually Maruma Gallants nil, Kaiser Chiefs 1. Maruma Gallants being the home team in the city of Bloemfontein. Kaiser Chiefs number 2 for the time being in the Champions League slot for the time being as well. Junior, former Kaiser Chiefs winger, what did you think of the game, sir?
Enkuluma prala kunjani
Yes, sir.
Mbulise Chasto
Jessa?
Mbulise Ushane
Yes, sir.
Bobzin Benedict Sovilakazi ebafethi kunjani keep on supporting iDisc TV fighting no one try to fix South African football standard of football South Africa man mina ngizocomplaina ngeground PSL I'm not too sure why ba allow ama ground njengalawo abe approved let me put it this way angazi bal approve kanjani le ground hili I know two teams they were playing but bal approve kanjani le ground because Tina we came here to work to watch beautiful football. It's a top flight football. It's one of the best league in South Africa. And like it's the best league in South Africa in the world. It's one of the best league. So our facility is supposed to be better. Coming to the game, Marumo Gallants. I'm not too sure, coach. I think coach. I'm not too sure what is he trying to achieve. The guy, because Maudlala each and every time when you play, there's polls on it. There must be ending product.
Yeah.
There must be ending, there must be end product. Like you can play, but mele kube ne ending. Ichimi yakhe udlala nga 2 false nights, which is undaba ithethi inhlonhlo umpambaniso. Speed advantage in the game. If football is speed is advantage. Speed, when you've got speed, you've got technique, and then you've got a chance to score. Irrespective of ukwazi ukuthatha abantu as a striker, I'm talking as a striker. Speed nje in football advantage. Now udlala nga 2 ball like 2 false 9. Abantu abazithandela ukuphasana short. They don't want to run behind defense. Which is undaba ithethi indlondlo. Angina problem makathi he wanted to draw Kaizer Chiefs these defenders nabo chita mabadropper these guys they must follow. And then now who must go there behind the defense of Kaizer Chiefs
In the space, yeah.
Unomabuza is joining in the middle. Una this guy Otlodisa is coming in the middle. Una this guy Pants. Una this guy what's his name?
His partner in the midfield, not Barnes. I just forgot his name.
Yeah, he's got Stole. He's got Stole and Pants. And then you come and pack in the midfield. There's no way you can. How many shots on target in Kulman face off? Any into one dimension of playing the game. Uchana short passes. Sometimes you need to stretch. It depends on the play. If you stretch,
Sure.
In the bitima kaidlali off the ball. There's no player that play off the ball. I got a problem with us and Leon because could be negative. It's like they were scoring half in Epadin Lab. They were playing. Pants, it looked like Conintines are touching the ball so many times, but playing good center back. And then there must be a long ball. And then the long ball, it's only Kaizer Chiefs because they pick pedal, it's only Queen and this guy, Edin McCarthy. Side the Kaizer Chiefs, Mabuye, man of the match, it's very difficult to game. I love Mabuye.
Yeah, there's no outstanding
Honestly,
player.
if I can be honest, Mina, it's
There was no single outstanding player.
no, it depends. Angithi manje.
You could give it to the guy who scored the winning goal, but he didn't have a great game.
Even him.
Even now, he didn't have a great
So, me, I'm going to give him point there, a man of the match. It's going to be difficult. A good game.
game. And they just have to give someone.
Yeah, well done to Kaizer Chiefs, especially base with the win. As calling a win. Win, well done to Kaizer Chiefs. No good battle position 2. I think Lomunto Kori goal, I don't think he was scoring. Yes, I explain that I was scoring. No, he was crossing the ball. But I think the content of goal of the tournament, goal of the season,
Yeah.
or goal of the month this month. Good technique. First half, he had a quiet game. I was calling first half. Liepo, quiet game. Ama-Checker Kaizer Chiefs, they are so spoiling ngendlela ukuthi they always rely ukuthi okay mina noma ngaba ngidlala lethe kudlala uModi or yena uLiepo noModi. Wing back will go and cross for me. We want to create a scoring opportunity. They are spoiling ngaleyo ndlela. And now in today's game, Mbonile not much because of the pitch being about Alawi. How many times Mbonile Umunyane aya Umunyane going forward? Noma ngabe ngalithola i1 bad crosses from him. Angeke at the city ground he was alone. Trap people will miss and then technique is poor. So first half we was off, Liepo off. Yes, I will say those players they, for me like lo mfana ovele has got one dimension of playing the game. Cutter in is more predictable. So lo mfana I think into bebayenza bebamfaka phakathi ukuthi he must go wide. Akanayo this thing ukuthi makangene phakathi is gonna kill. Just shoot with a lace. Very ball alizoya phezulu. So I think coach was happy and Marumo Gallants they were happy with that. It came into my push second half. I think Kaizer Chiefs got that one moment, which is it's out of the blues. Going to the game overall when I'm going performance both teams. It is a game now finally I deserve a draw for me, honestly. Nothing special from both teams. Kaizer Chiefs, there's no creativity. Marumo Gallants, Bahiping, chop. It's like we're playing a small sided without scoring. And then you only deserve a draw. It took one moment, and we got to score. It was a goal. None other than that, I won't say Kaizer Chiefs did very well. I think they came to the point of we're gonna win. Go to the field, we die for one another. How they play today, honestly, Kaizer Chiefs. I don't think it's one of the best performances. Yes, they won, but not benefit. No, we won. We are number 2. But truly speaking, how they play, there was no build-up in their team. Link between the defense and abantu baba phambili ukuthi babathole ngikhuluma ngoma how many times bamkhipha lo mfana over how many times ngikhuluma nge-combination play esabengekho into the game. Instead this guy babe combination play first half but now bebangahate Chiefs
away from the goals.
Very far, they bebangana reference. Even their wingers dropping, coming to the middle field. That's why I'm going to understand how he coach players. The coach the Marumo Gallants, how he coach team the way afunidla lenga khona. I'm not too sure. Angazi ukuthi makathi ngena ne ground you want to get a goal or go to the field and say if I can get 1 point I will be happy. Because udlala ngathi udlala like to get a draw. Udlala home, you playing as if you want to get a draw. How many shots on target ngikhuluma inside the Kaizer Chiefs? Nothing. So well done to Kaizer Chiefs, but truly speaking the game honestly, a boring game for me honestly. I will say technical about team, technical and calling tactics. Some tactics everybody can apply. Anyone can apply my tactics. Technically, very poor game. Honestly, I can say that.
There's a reality of a log table where Chiefs find themselves at number 2. I'm sure that fans are dreaming. What is the realistic possibility that they could even get to Champions League? If not the title, which maybe is very difficult, Champions League, now that they find themselves at number 2?
I can't count Kaizer Chiefs. There's a lot of job to be done. There's a say it how you did the way you win now determine the future. Most winner with luck or yes, they scored the goal, they won 3 points they got, but I don't think can repeat that next week or the other week. You can't do that. So Orlando Pirates, they're one of the best attacking team currently. Sundowns, they've got seasoned players who've been winning leagues several times. So you can assure that 1 or 2 between those 2 teams, because over 1 and 2, Kaizer Chiefs, you can't count them there. So it's very difficult. We're talking about national team players, Pirates and Sundowns, international players. They're playing for national team. So Kaizer Chiefs, how many players for national team? It's going to be difficult. So it's a battle of Orlando Pirates.
Not even, so besides the number 1 to win the league, not even the Champions League.
Number 2 is going to be difficult. There's Pirates and Sundowns, which is I still believe Sundowns going to win the league because of the experience, not because of the best team this year. The experience, you understand? Pirates, they are the best team, but inexperienced. I think coaching, I'm sharp because he's so inexperienced in terms of winning a league. A league is a marathon. He might lose it, yes. Generally, he might throw it. It's unnecessary throwing it against the Kukune. So he's in the Zoba corner, but pound to pound, bear in mind the Kaizer Chiefs need to play Orlando Pirates. I know with the derby you can't predict, it's very difficult. Chiefs but playing against Orlando Pirates now, as Kuluming 7 years ago, 5 years ago, 3 years ago, different Orlando Pirates dimension. They will dominate you, also break you in all angles in terms of individual brilliance. They've got players who can win games, the manje. Accessing into which younger players who got bigger, they know a police. So it's going to be difficult. Sundowns, they've got players now, they've signed Leon. I think dangerous player now. They've got Nuno Nyambonuza to the party. I'm more from him. And they've got the midfielder Fandom Kwena. Pound to pound, who can count Mwambala and one Kaizer Chiefs. So yes, Kaizer Chiefs, honestly, Bazoba Kona Nabo top 5 probably. Yes, probably this year because they won many games.
They've already collected the points.
They've collected some. Maybe for Chinese and just for compliment with that. But how they play, Ilentonga Ishomina. I want them fit ugly. I'm not too sure how they play coach up or the way. Now I'm sure Magato Pega watching analysis, video analysis. I don't think he's happy the way team is along a corner. Uzoshali is under the scorer, but how the team play as an overall performance, I don't think he should be a shy Zandla.
All right, nice one. Thank you very much, Junior. That's Orlando. Sorry, Kaiser Chiefs. Excuse me, Jesus. That's Kaiser Chiefs winning against Marumo Gallants. I'm thinking Orlando Pirates now. Those two teams, of course, are the biggest enemies, and they are the fuel that pushes South African football forward, and they're supposed to hate each other. Chiefs is not Pirates, Pirates is not Chiefs. Excuse me for twisting my tongue. So yeah, Kaiser Chiefs at number 2 as they sleep tonight. Marumo Gallants, of course, will have questions to answer because the last time they won was in October, and that's a concerning run of form. It is TV Times was sweating.
All our Fetu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.